because of manje emsebenzini sisebenza nabantu base-ZCC. Uba Barnabas angeke achintshe ukukhohlakala kwami or nomuntu lo engisebenza naye ofaka ibhash because of kunomunye umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi ngizokuyela eMori. Uba Barnabas akathi niye eMori uthi niye eMori ukuthi niyophila but kunomunye umuntu oyela mina woman of God ukuthi angiyela lapha nomsebenzi ungiphelele. Mina inhliziyo yami uyena maybe noma ngangifundisa even neBhayibheli liyasifundisa kunala uNkulunkulu ukhuluma ngenhliziyo zethu the way inhliziyo inamano ngakhona the way ikhohlakele ngakhona. Barnabas will never change my heart. But God can change my heart. Naye he will pray for me because of sebenza nabantu we end up sisaba iZCC because of abantu sebenza nabo yiba basithakathayo yiba bayenza ngathi iZCC umthakathi kanti
iZCC ngaqala ngokuthi hey, this is the Gear Shift Network and what. And I'm like, it's set up le. Ayivumi.
Yeah, ayivumi.
Ungasazi you will see our names la emaphakathini la makuloke kwenziwa. My brother.
Mfana sekhaya.
Unjani?
Mina wena.
Kunini ngokufuna?
Yeah, ngifikile namhlanje.
Amanye ama-episode wethu wabonile mara.
Yeah, ngwabonile.
Yeah, so now I thought ukuthi it's best ukuthi sithole, someone on a in-depth knowledge about umoya, spirituality, uNkulunkulu and Christ. Yabo? Woman of God.
Hey, I'm happy to see Lord T. The name is very interesting. I hope you're going to break it down with why Lord T.
No problem, I'll do that.
Yeah, because of the Lord. Wow. Yeah. That was big of you, man. That was big of you. Yeah. And I'm happy. I'm very, very happy to see you here in flesh. Wow. Kanti umprofita motleje. Wow. Kitsewa profita ba ni thapo ba ni jwang. Hey, hatu na ni profita asle yang. Wow. That is very nice. That is very nice, Lord T.
Ngiyabonga man.
Amen.
Ancestors noNkulunkulu ziyahlangana.
Kahle kamhlophe.
Kanjani?
What is ancestors?
People who were living here and died.
Is Jesus still here?
But he woke up.
He woke up.
Yes.
All right. Let's talk now about Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Are they still here?
No, they are
Did
not.
they wake up?
No.
Then why when are we calling God is nokuthi uNkulunkulu kaShadrach, Meshach no Abednego?
I think now we have to look at it. Ukuthi did God say for you to reach me? Meluthi uNkulunkulu kaShadrach because we know of the name yaka Christ ukuthi anothi manithandaza nibize konke in my name and then ubaba ezulwini uzongizwa. But to call Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego uNkulunkulu wanika leyo mandate kuma Israel. Is there such a verse?
No, it's not. Ayikho ne? Ayikho.
Yes. Okay, I'll give you that one, ne? Let's go back to Exodus. Jane.
Yes.
Moses makabona isihlahla sivutha amalangabi mara umlilo ungaweli phansi. Izwi malikhuluma naye. Lithi buyela la ubuya khona. Athi angengikwazi ukubuyela abafuna ukungibulala. Uthi uNkulunkulu so ubuyela nami. Uthi manje mangibuyela ngibatshela ukuthi umuphi lo uNkulunkulu othi ngibuye. Uthi uNkulunkulu tell them that it is the God of their ancestors. Ubala ama ancestors wabo Abu Abraham and those who were no longer there. So if uNkulunkulu namadlozi kungahambelani, why makakhuluma noMoses afaka ama ancestors wama Israel so that they can believe ukuthi usendo uNkulunkulu right wama Israel acindezekile Egypt. And remember bathi ama Israel waye thimawane inkinga wayekhuluma nebhokisi ebekunomzimba kaAbraham lokuthi Abraham lokafile usithembisile before uhamba ukuthi uNkulunkulu wakho uzosikhipha la eEgypt but namhlanje sisahlupheka. They believed ukuthi uAbraham aloka edlozi ashonile kodwa sengakuba ukukhulumela noNkulunkulu ukuthi baphume lapha eEgypt njengoba bebayilive.
Hayi uJacob ngathi uJacob
between Jacob
uJacob waya eEgypt yes no Joseph ngithi uJoseph weza wabalanda baye eEgypt and then yaphela igeneration yabo Jacob nabo Joseph kwazocala igeneration yabo Moses angithi yes and then Moses wabulala iHebrew kwaba kubaleka waphindwa wabuyela like ngizama ukuthi maybe question ngibuze wrong ukuthi can I ama ancestor yi-root yokuthi ngifike kuNkulunkulu na or ngaya nje straight okay enye into engifuna ukuyazi nabantu abafuna ukuyazi abasithukayo all the time kuma comments ukuthi kunamasonto ayathwasa aphinda sonke futhi and then baquote those biblical verses okhuluma ngawo njengale I had some guy usibiza ngokuthi umkhulu nation waseBenoni Davidton somewhere there athi to show ukuthi ama ancestors you go through them ukufika kuNkulunkulu Matthew mayicala historical account yaka Jesu ukuthi ubuya endlini yaka Jacob that on its own yena imnike idea yokuthi yazini idlozi yilo na so ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ithini into yamasonto athwasayo like siyathwasa siyasonta njengabo apostoli.
You know what is the problem here, Biggie, ne? The problem is exactly what the emperor of Ethiopia, the late King Haile Selassie once warned us about. Uthi uSelassie, do not confuse religion with spirituality as fun lezinto. Makaceda uthi ireligion was invented by humankind. The main purpose was to help people spiritually. But because of human imperfections, religion sokugcwele amapolitiki negreed nokufuna ukuyisebenzisa as a tool for power. But spirituality, it is the natural way of connecting with the Most High.
God.
So yeah, nokuthi is connecting uNkulunkulu. So inkinga seyikhona namhlanje ne-religion ukuthi ayisaserve the initial authentic purpose. So kuyinto egcwele ipolitiki, ubugreedy nokufuna ipower because let us be honest. The largest religion is Christianity, singalandela Islam. But when you listen to their teachings, they are collide. Laba bathu Jesu uyokumele simsale emuva uyosiconnecta noNkulunkulu. Laba bathu Muhammad uyosiconnecta noAllah. But Muhammad is doing nothing to the Christians who are denying him as a prophet. And Jesus is doing nothing to the Muslims who are not perceiving him as a prophet of God. Bayaphila bonke kahle kamhlophe. Then ila ubona khona ukuthi ireligion kahle kahle yinto eze nomuntu. Akusi original way yokuconnecta noNkulunkulu. For an example, uNkulunkulu madala izulu nomhlaba, Islam neChristianity namaBuddha bezikuphi? Njengoba namhlanje iChristianity kumele isitshele ukuthi uJesu kuphela ongasifikisa kuNkulunkulu. Before Jesus could set foot physically la emhlabeni, abantu bebangakwazi ukukhuluma noNkulunkulu. Before Islam iba khona la emhlabeni, abantu bebangakwazi ukuconnecta noNkulunkulu. Uyayibona ukuthi yinto eyahlalelwa abantu phansi. And they say, let's come with something like this. I'll make a typical example. Inyanga lezi ezingafunwa ama-Christian. Ama-Muslim lawa angafuna ama-Christian. Nama-Christian lawa angafuna ubunyanga. Ngizokubalela laba abayi-3. I'll make a scenario. Inyanga mayengathi semarobotini kuvela igebengu zithi zifuna ukumthathela imoto zilwe zodwa abaleke. Yothi idlozi lami lingincedile. Muslims will say Allah ungincedile. Christians will say uJesu ungincedile. But into eyenzakele i1. So you ask yourself a question ukuthi kanti uJesu uMuhammad namadlozi basebenza ngendlela efanayo. It's whereby you see ukuthi kahle kahle we are all connected to the most high esingamazi igama. Thina amaKristu sitho uJehova, ama-Islam athe uAllah. Edlozini einyangeni bathi amadlozi. Kunezitori zezinyanga othima uzimamela zihambelana nezinye zezinto esizifunde eBhayibhelini. Kunezitori zama-Islam othima uyimamela zihambelana nezomuntu omKristu. Angazi understand. uNkulunkulu uyi-one mara simbiza ngendlela engafani. But I'll tell you this, because Christianity is the largest religion, it is the most confused and most divided religion that you can find worldwide. AmaKristu ala wodwa mara the other religion basabambene so.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa
That is why sine traditional Christianity ne Western Christianity. Abazalwana babafuna boshembe, abazalwana babafuna bobabolkhanyana, abazalwana babafuna bomudise, but they all fall under Christian churches. Laba bafuna kuba ngcono kunalaba.
I think okay kodwa ufuna ukuyisho before ngiphawula.
All right. Ngiyakuzwa. Cha yona uyilande kahle. Angeke ngizongiphikisa. Yezi thina ke mina ngisho kanje ukuthi mina inconfuser akufikeni ekutheni ukuthi abakamdisi angithi sesiya ukuthi iChristianity into eyi-one ize sisi izibiza ukuthini because of kunegama lapho phakathi elithini they are exactly. It means ukuthi nabo ama-Christians. Angithi yes angali ke. But one thing that I want to know, ngama-Christians kanjani? Because of lana ngivule ku Exodus ne, ngiya ku Exodus la wena uqale khona ukuthi amadlozi noNkulunkulu ayahambelana. La usho khona ukuthi isihlahla sicale sasha. So ngicela ukuthi uBoot Bhekisisa asifundele Exodus 3 verse 3.
Exodus 3.
Yes, Exodus 3 verse 3. Ngifuna ukuthi uyizwe ukuthi uMoses akaphendula athi ngubani. Then uNkulunkulu he's trying ukukhumbuza uMoses ukuthi no, if uzomangala awuzwa this voice, mina nguNkulunkulu uphi. Remember ukuthi Bhekisisa, if you are a person uyaphila ne, awuphila siyazwela ukuthi kunabo Ramaphosa, siyazwela ukuthi kunoba Mandela. But uNkulunkulu akavela la, he's trying to show Moses ukuthi nguNkulunkulu uphi. Maybe uNkulunkulu he knew ukuthi lana bakhona abanye aboNkulunkulu abobhula abobani. But lana he's trying to be specific. Same applies this umuntu manje angithi uzoba nedlozi, nginedlozi la kakuphi labo mamami, nginedlozi labo babami. Sometimes angilazi mina idlozi labo babami because of kabo babami abangikhulisanga. But idlozi lakabo baba malivele mhlawumbe lizosho ukuthi yimi umkhulu wakho wakuphi wakamthimkhulu ubabakho umuntu osona so lana uNkulunkulu is trying to, because of kunala abasho khona ukuthi uMoses uzwe athuka akezwa izwi leli elimangazayo lapha ehlani. Now I think ungathuka. So uNkulunkulu is trying to calm him down into his senses. So that is why athini nguNkulunkulu wabobani ukuthi uMoses if bekalahlekile akhona ukukhumbula ukuthi oh this God ngamuzwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabo Abraham, uNkulunkulu wabo Jacob, uNkulunkulu wabo bani uyabona. So that he wants to get his attention because of manje si manenga ama broadcasts. For example uLothi ukuthi aba invited la, you were supposed to mention your broadcast ukuthi no mina yini ngigospel gear shift, or then now we are born ukuthi okay I need to do what ithi ngisearch ngiyibona. So it's what God is trying to say because of uyasho la ukuthi ngubani ngicela ungifundele so that akhona ukuthi I understand ukuthi kuzokufika endabeni ama ancestors ifike kanjani. Ngicela uyifunde kancane
before ngiyifunde ithi Lothi uLothi a woman of God asikafike endabeni yokuthi siyabakhonza or asibakhonzi. Sisakhulume ngokuthi ikhona na into enjalo na.
Yes.
This part ye burning bush, okay, I will read it, but we're coming there.
Yes.
Yokuthi uMoses now is saying this is amazing. Exodus 3:3. This is amazing. Moses said to himself, why isn't it that bush burning up? I must go see it. When the Lord saw Moses coming to take a closer look, God called to Moses from the middle of the bush, Moses, Moses, here I am. Moses replied, do not come any closer, the Lord warned. Take off your sandals, for you are standing in the holy ground. And then go 6 la chaza khona. I am the God of your father, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. When Moses heard this, he covered his face because he was afraid to look at God. This was referencing.
Yes.
Uyamlandisa ukuthi which God.
Yes.
In another way, siya acknowledge here ukuthi kunabanye abonkulunkulu.
Can I get in 5 minutes
Yeah.
ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu kundlula nonke. Ya ngoba ngiyafila ngazuthi anginike ichance ami conversationalist vele mina.
Yeah.
It's not that the Egyptians didn't know ukuthi ama-Israel aphuma kuphi. It's not that the Egyptians, abo Pharaoh and his soldiers, didn't know ukuthi izukulu zabo bani lezi. When God said ubatshela ukuthi nguNkulunkulu of their ancestors, angazi why lingavelile lo gama lapho. God knew that when they pray bangithandaza kanjani. Then when he's gonna go there and said ngithunywe uNkulunkulu kaJacob, Abraham, ababala lama ancestors, they'll believe ukuthi indeed uthunywe lo uNkulunkulu esimthandaza emfihlakaleni ngoba we are in a land of slavery where we are forced ukuthi sithandaze uNkulunkulu wase-Egypt. Thina emakhoneni masimbiza sithi uNkulunkulu kaJacob, uNkulunkulu kaAbraham. That is why athe ubatshela ukuthi nguNkulunkulu wokhokho babo abobani nabo bani, so that they can embrace indaba yokuthi vele uthuma uNkulunkulu wethu, because he could have known ukuthi sinqindezela kanje siqale ngabobani abobaba benu. So the reason uNkulunkulu amchazele kaso uMoses ukuthi maka yobachazela bayazi ukuthi bambiza kanjani, and they know that to send the will uNkulunkulu. And sifuna ukuyidefenda le ndaba mfundisi wami ake ningibuze la uMaria umama kaJesu nalabantu besifazane bekahamba nabo nabazobona ukuthi uJesu uvukile emathuneni bebefunani emathuneni
Bebofuna ukubona ukuthi ungcwatshe kahle.
Bebayenza lezinto enithi amademon ukuthi sibaqinele sifike bebayenza lezinto lezi. It's just that kunale nkinga yokuthi bafuna ukusicolonize even spiritually. Guys, black people are the descendants of the Israelites. That is why my argument is always that Jesus was never white, he was black. That is why he was killed by white. Yingako namhlanje abantu abanisi imvula, abantu abayenza imihlolo, it's black people because isibuya kubo Jesu Christ. But the problem ukuthi if simthandaza the way uNkulunkulu wethu wayethandaza okhokho bethu bama-Israyeli nabo abo Jesu, they know these people that we're gonna be powerful like them. Abafuni lokho.
Usho. But I think nali Bible ayangifuna ukuba nale back and forth, but I think nali Bible lisinika the powerful ancestor emele siyibise.
Uzoyikhuluma straight ningicolele. Inkinga ningicolele bazalwane. Abazalwane iBhayibheli bafuna sile understand ngendlela yabo ayilewe lengakhona. Abazalwane bangicolele. Let me tell you something. Jesus was attacked each and every now and then by the Pharisees people.
Yes.
Exactly the same way abazalwane are always attacking churches like IPCC, Nazareth for Babu Shembe, ZCC. Go to ZCC, go to these churches. They say nothing about Amasonta Abazalwane. It is Abazalwane fighting. They do not even perceive that we have become the Pharisees people who have persecuted Christ. Mfundisi wami went to Amasonta Abazalwane, kunama brown envelope, kunama VIP seats. I'm sorry, I have to say this. Go to the African Christian churches. Abagegi. izinto esizibonayo ukuthi wrong. Omotoso might still be in prison today for raping umfundisi wabazalwane. Bushiri wayenza blasphemy ukuthi yena usezulwini ayishuta ngamafu. Bayenza izono sibabhekile so, but bona they accuse our African Christian churches ngezinto esingazazi. Bathandaza inyoka kunama dragon, but what is proof? Masifuna iBhayibheli mfundisi lithi hell it's indawo evutha umlilo, it's a furnace of fire. Abazalwane are using fire to drive out demons from people. You ask yourself a question ukuthi basebenzisa kanjani ithulusi yasesihogweni for ukupholisa abantu nokukhipha amademoni. And when we are from an African traditional church, usebenzisa amanzi noma emfuleni uthi uyogeza, but you are into marine spirits, uthandaza uSathane. We read the Bible, uJesu wasebenzisa amathe, wasebenzisa udaka, watshela umuntu macede kumgcobisa ngawuthamba ogeza emanzini waseSilong. Wahamba edamini wageza wabona. uJesu akaza athandazela umuntu ngokuthi fire mfundisi. Umlilo usesihogweni mfundisi wami.
Hayi.
So mfundisi, if we are calling the name fire, it does not literally mean ukuthi siyakushisa because of besokushisa. Nina nisebenzisa that water. You understand?
Yes.
So at that time, Jesus had the right to say, khumbula ukuthi yena Jesus himself bekumpolisi yena himself. He did not need maybe material things like amanzi or asibonisa ukuthi nganamanzi lanko inomphela wenu manje ukuthi funeke nihlale nisebenzisa amanzi ningasasebenzisa igama lami. Mina what I'm trying to say ukuthi mfundisi asiwasebenzise amanzi ne, but singawasebenzisi sisebenzisa igama lakho because of manje sengenza wena uNkulunkulu unyipha amanzi manje lothila funeka ngizosebenzisa namanzi lanko ngithandaza lothi. Ubani wena ukupha ukuhlakanipha lokho and ubani futhi wena okuphe ukuhlakanipha owena wathatha phi namanzi lanku ukuthi kwamele usebenzise mina as a woman of God ukuthi ungasebenzisi. You took it from where? From the Bible. Even when Moses went to ukuya kaFaro, he used to use igama lakaNkulunkulu ukuthi lo ongithumile ubani. So nina into esenza ukuthi sigcine singaboni ubuhle besonto lenu nikabisa igama lomuntu. Anikabisa uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu kini ngathi it's a second option. So that is why you feel ukuthi Christians we are against of what we are saying. We are not against on your belief, but we are against ukuthi igama lakaNkulunkulu nilisho less than igama lakalothi. When angisho kanjalo, if I can go to esontweni manje elakho anyeke ningitshela ukuthi utlofodiswa kimndimi how ka kholela ho Barnabas ka tiye utlomthola ngwane.
Whoever that is telling you that is lost.
Is lost kanjani?
Mangene esontweni waba nomuntu ozokutshela ukuthi upholisa uBarnabas.
Alothi bayasho lothi.
Alothi bayasho.
Hayi abanye ngisebenza nabo bayasho.
Yeah. They are wrong.
And listen, ngicela ukukhuluma into eyi-1. Yes.
One rotten potato can spoil the whole packet.
Yeah.
Angisho iMutsipe Foundation sayibona sonke ne?
Yes.
iBishop yeZion Christian Church uShembe nabo labomdise laba, I'm talking about African traditional churches now.
Yes.
Are they saying uNkulunkulu kaShembe uNkulunkulu kaBarnabas, or are they saying arapeleng ka lebizo la Morena Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth la ntate le morole mo halalelang?
Ai lothi asigugule sibone
Hayi
ukuthi
before speaking
asigugule sisho ukuthi isho kanjalo na
before speaker kumagugu
because of me I don't remember.
Umadala ne umadala akasho yena. Yeah, leyo
Bishops are not saying that.
exactly
How can you say it when a lothi?
but ama congregants lothi
Yeah.
ayasho.
Amen. Ngiyavuma. And again I am saying to you,
Ayasho ama
it is not
congregants.
the teaching of the leaders.
Okay,
Bayibonephi
asilungise
le
kanje.
nto?
I'll tell you why bonephi. Yeah.
Mamela
Amen.
lothi manje
Can I
angizoma.
answer ukuthi bayizwe?
Ithi ngicela ukukulungisa kancane. Manje angizokhuluma. uRamaphosa angeke athi iANC vote for Ramaphosa. He'll never say it. Kuzosha bobani abombalula. Because of yena uhlala nabo bani nabombalula. Abombalula they are the ones who need to go there to serve ukusho ukuthi vote for ANC. Yena uBarnabas he will never say it. Unama boy who who need to say it,
Yeah.
who are working for him.
Ngumfundisi.
Yes, Baba.
Ngicela sibe ne conversation engeke sifuna ukujahele ukudefenda sisimamelaneni ne because what
Yes.
I'm about to say it needs you guys to listen to it.
Yes.
Ne?
Yes.
Okay.
uShadrach noMeshach noAbednego ningizwe
Yes.
kwathiwa nasisithixo asisithandazeni bathi no thina sothandaza uNkulunkulu ongabonwa ophila unaphakade
Khuluma iqiniso lapho.
uyangizwa
Yep.
when they were punished babagijimisa ecibeni lomlilo abashanga inkosi yaze yabona umuntu wokusi4 which
Yes.
was their god ne
Yes.
on that day onwards the king watshela isizwe ukuthi starting from today kulento engiyibonile asithandazeni uNkulunkulu kaMeshach Shadrach noAbednego uNkulunkulu weqiniso right
Right.
Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego didn't say, pray our God, use our names. So why are we saying with these African spiritual leaders, it is them that are telling their leaders to do that when their leaders are deciding for themselves?
But why are they not reprimanding them?
They doing it daily. Look how khulumu baba wathi ke a utlwa ba bangwe ba lena le re ke modimo ba bangwe le mpitsa ka tshehla ba bangwe le mpitsa ka nna ke nna Dr. Barnabas Edward Lekhanyane, the leader of Zion Christian Church.
Manje why nithi uNkulunkulu ke?
Why?
Sengisho nina why nisho kanjalo? Okay,
Yes.
asiqhubeke.
Yes, you understand. So, abantu basemhlabeni from dala mandulo in the BCs bebanayo vele lento ukuthi nabangakubona mamfundisi wenza imanga. They want to call your God using your name, even if you did not tell them. It happened with Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego.
Lord T. Yezwa. Okay.
Uthi simamele.
Yeah,
Okay.
and monga ibheka nala kubazalwane ikhona. And it is not the pastors that are saying pray God using my name. It is the congregation. I've heard people so many times saying you'll never do me anything. The God of measure one is powerful. And when you ask that person why usho kanjalo ungathi uNkulunkulu kaJesu something athi uBushiri yena ubona izinto angakaza ayibone emntwini onormal. It is the people that are deciding these things. And believe you me, Peggy, now ekusasa mangayenza imihlolo, you will try to prevent people and say, hey, madoda ngumuntu ngifana. Even Jesus, bebathi nabahlangana bamgucela uJesu athi ungangigucela ngumuntu ngifana nawe. So namhlanje sifuna ukublame babu Barnabas nabo babu Shembe, asiblameni noJesu bekabakhuza. Ukuthi
Okay.
ningangiguqeli phansi I'm man just like you.
All right. So angali ke ukuthi uBarnabas yena kasho ukuthi akhonzwe.
Yes.
Uyatrya ukubatshela all the time ukuthi mina ngithunyelwe uNkulunkulu yini, I'm just a leader. So even though asho kanjalo, you cannot just go straight ku Barnabas nginje. Ngasuka manje ngaya straight ku Barnabas eLimpopo. Or funeke ngihlolwe kucala ngathi manje I'm going to see the king, but kuNkulunkulu Jesus Christ didn't do that. Jesus Christ you would even wena eze kuwo or a person aye kuye and bengabajikisi or ayenzeni uyenze appointment. What into mina that I'm trying to say, uyabona izinto like if ungabheka manje abo Bushiri they came ngefame. You understand? And uNkulunkulu into akungase eyakhe. Mfundisi uzostop if kwamanyala.
No,
You
no.
understand? Then
Yeah.
to show ukuthi abo Bushiri beze ngemandate wrong but basebenzisa ini igama la kaNkulunkulu. That is why today usababona bakuphi?
No,
Basemajele.
let me tell you something about Bushiri, ne?
Yes.
And all these men of God.
Yes.
Make no mistake, they are men of God.
Yes, they
But
are.
they're not perfect.
They are
because
not-
we're all
yes.
human. I'll never allow anyone to tell me that Bushiri is a fake prophet. Umoya ongcwele ukhona kuBushiri. It's just that umuntu kunala usebenzisa ukubenefita yena, not the kingdom of uNkulunkulu wezulu. You understand? So sonke sinawo amaphutha.
Yes, iba nephutha but kunephutha leli lapho ungasebenzisa igama lakaNkuluNkulu. I think even nobaba uLkhanyani maybe naye umuntu wasemhlabeni, noShembe umuntu wasemhlabeni, but uyenza njani noma anamaphutha uyenza kahle ukuthi amaphutha wakhe nabantu laba abakhe maybe abanabo balifista ihlazo lakhe. Uyangizwisisa? So mina ngikhulumela kulo osebenzisa igama lakaNkuluNkulu nami lele ngilisebenzisayo ukuthi if yena uyalisebenzisa and knowing ukuthi at the back of his mind or inini kunezinto asisebenzisayo uNkulunkulu uzomuyenza sure ukuthi uyahlazeka. And noma hlazekile uNkulunkulu noma ungahlazeka waya kuyo sohleli uyi1 ucela ucolo uzokucolela ngoba uNkulunkulu ocolalayo. Uyazwisisa? But don't use igama lakaNkulunkulu ngendlela embi awucede uzo expect ukuthi we are all human, which means what we are trying to say ukuthi sonke singabulala and at the end of the day we'll always say we are human. uNkulunkulu uzosicolela nabantu basicolela. Umosha abantu abengakho uBushira sebenzisa igama lakaNkulunkulu bayengakho abogogo abakhiphe imali baya kuye bayotitha iziningi. And you are going to say usebenzisa uNkulunkulu to do that. Singabeki igama lakaNkulunkulu gabi.
Mistakes, yes.
No, they are mistake how? Because of even though you are doing something, mfundisi singalayilwa imali ukuthi siphume endleleni. Uyazwisisa? I think ukuthi uBarnabas unemali eningi undlula uBushira, but he's still on the track. We understand the gweza yena Shembe loyo ukuphi still in the track. Uyazwisisa? What I'm saying ukuthi kuwona namasonto lanko mfundisi lanko wenu enwakhonzayo into esishoyo ukuthi akubonakala igama lakaNkuluNkulu.
No, liyabonakala.
Libonakala kanjani mfundisi?
Ngoba siyeza lapho siyeza
Labonakala.
Kanjani? Ngoba angiya
Meke come mfundisi.
Okay. Angiya hayi mina ngikhumbuli. Yazi uyabona leyo maybe uBarnabas uyishoyo or kwaShembe uyo mhlamba usholayo.
Yazi inkinga yini ne?
Yes.
Nami ngizibeke ku hot seat la. I'm not the spokesperson of Zion Christian Church. Angisi spokesperson se Nazareth and those leaders of African Christian churches they don't want into zama social media.
Yes, why?
Wrong. No, the reason is they don't feel they need to prove a point to anyone. They know what they are doing. They know that Baketi, they know that Banunkulunkulu will never even interview them.
Yes.
That is why many podcasts I see, they try their level best to tarnish the image of their churches. We'll never even hear them in speakers when they speak to their people busy saying, yeah, but it's on letter standards. They don't care about such, like Jesus didn't care about the Pharisees who were always accusing him of things he was not doing.
Na makalothi ngeke mabaya kumtsipe basuke boyenzani because baya kumtsipe bavele ema TV ba trend kuma TikTok.
Yeah.
Uyiphendulela naloko phela.
It's a national prayer, but what I'm trying to say
is point yakho
you'll never hear them saying but standards inyoka thina standards inyoka. They don't entertain such. It is us the abalandeli ngokuphapha kwethu ukuthi sizo entertain, but them they don't.
Angeke ngithi mina lento esiyenza wrong like siku 2026 and
no, I'm not saying it's wrong.
Yes, and we are tired of this barrier of information because labo abancane ababanayo they use it wrongly.
Right.
That is why abanye baze babe nezakhelo emasayidini ongazi ukuthi kuse ZCC but ise Jardine lamuntu or St John's but ise Jardine lamuntu is because kunalento le elokivimba the truth to come out. It's not making you a spokesperson. This you have a knowledge about African spirituality. You not necessarily ZCC, but African spirituality. So they needed the understanding. Yoguti, what exactly are we talking about? Maskuluma spirituality.
Yeah, you're right about one thing, Mauti. You need clarity because there's a lot that we think we know and we do not know. Like Mfundisi has said, Jesus was easily accessible. Mina umsiyoni. Numerous times mangise Moria you'd see ubaba drive a trucker asebenza njenga wonke umuntu. But she doesn't know that, and someone else that doesn't know that. But thina ezimasiyoni siyazi ukuthi kunalabo abanokuklina nanaye ama-toilet axoxe naye amangale sokule ukuthi hey ubishop uwe lo, you understand. So but she doesn't know. That is why athi ukuthi umbone kumele ube neletha nani. Okay, kunesonto elikhulu, you can't just go now and say uyamfuna njengawe. Yabona siyarekhoda manje, ifoni yakhala kunomuntu akufunayo, angeke akuthole manje, kumele ucedele into oyenzayo, you understand. But yokuthi ukumbona nokuthi ukhulume naye yento enkulu engayenzeki, no, that's not true.
Oh, that's not true.
That's not true.
Oh, uyakhona ukumbona,
Awu kahle kamhlophe,
uhlale naye phansi ucoce naye.
kahle kamhlophe.
Hayi nami ngisafuna ukuthi ke ngibe nelanga naye, ke ngicoce, ke ngi-understand ukuthi like why tea, why do we have to drink that tea? Inceda kuphi itiye lela seze-TC? We understand. Like okay, kunala abanye abantu laba abakholwayo vele, because of I feel ukuthi singabantu basemhlabeni si prefer ukuthi sibambe izinto ezibambekayo. Like if unganginikeza this more fire and say to me izosebenza, just because of ibuya kulothi and ulothi ubuye eZCC, mentally I would think it is going to work. But if ngizokutshela ngoNkulunkulu from the Bible, uNkulunkulu akaphathisanga next, ukuphathisa izwi lakhe kuphela. Why manje kufuneke ngingamkholwa
But I have
uNkulunkulu?
to say that's not true.
Kanjani?
I've made an example eyodaka namathi bathayogeza amalento. Why isifuna ukuthi it was then, it was this, iyafana nendayelo. Let me explain indayelo yini. Kaspedi ge ba re go laela motho tayelo. It's like telling you now, ungasagcoki icathulo ezikubamba igcoke ivulekile ngoba sibona ibanga lokuthi uloku uvuvuka inyawo uyaswela. Ngiyakulayezela ukuthi yenzani. So indayelo is not specifically a tea. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say.
Instruction.
Yeah, it's an instruction.
Ethathwa from ukupholisa that blind person.
Then pendula indaba yetiya, ne? Asiyekeni lento yokuthi